Well, the thing is, so I am a big traveler. And it is in my core. It is like just a part of my DNA. And a fellow art author, um, Barb Rosenstock, sent me an email and she's like, Leah, I don't know where in the world you are, but you need to put in an application for this because I think this is right down your alley. And I went over to the site and I looked at it and I was like, oh, yes, please. And so there was a little question, but I think for me, um, there are so many things that I am passionate about, I am curious about, I am interested in. But one of the biggest ones is how we care for each other and how we care for our planet, right? And each other includes the animals, it includes the insects, it includes all the things. And so those are um, fundamental parts of how I think about any story that I approach. And so a trip like this with fellow are like creatives, like-minded creatives. Are you kidding me? It's going to be such a joy. And I, you don't know what's going to happen, but I know it's all going to be amazing.
That's sort of how I'm feeling too. I'm still pinching myself because I keep looking around the room going, how did I wind up in a room with all of these brilliant, amazing creatives? And I'm so excited to be able, as you said, to go and discover and kind of going in with a completely open mind because who knows what the adventures are going to be.
We have no idea. And as someone, when you travel a lot, even, you come back and you tell a story, it could have been a disaster at the time, but that story still holds so much heart to it for that journey, right? So even
Exactly.
if things go this way or that way, it's all part of the learning of it, the discovery of it, and I'm here for all of it. I'm here for all of it.